Uh, Hello students. We are discussing about cyber safety chapter. Some of the things previous have discussed about previous lectures, like cyber safety, cyber bullying, cyber trolling. Now some of the things are required, uh, like remaining topics are there. So we are discussing about spreading um, cybercrime, how to spreading rumors online. These all things you know it and remember it. So in this lecture, I am discussing about some social networking sites, how to safely browse it, how to safely work it, how to behave, uh, etiquettes when you are online. These all are activities we'll discuss it. Now, very first thing, spreading rumors online. You know very well some of the things. Most of the things are not authentic. If someone is sending anything on any social media sites like WhatsApp, Facebook, they just forward it. So that's why this rumors are spreading online because most of the things are not authentic. They are fake. So, but one important thing when we are sending or forwarding any email or any social media sites, so again, it is also called crime. So spreading rumors online is a cybercrime and it may invite a fine with impressment extendable up to 3 years. So impressment is also there. Now how online are there? One another activity is there, that is such fake profile. People sometimes indulge in posting false information on social media or comment could hurt others or spread rumors that they may trigger panic or hurt religious sentiments of other people, resulting into clash and even riots. So previously we have seen it this type of activity. Like previously riots are there in south. So just think it if fake profile. Most of the uh, male also talk with other person with a fake profile so that other can understand very properly and maybe some big crime will create it. So these are the things: spreading online fake profile, rumors, forwarding anything. This thing, remember it properly. Next, reporting cybercrime. Now one important thing: if any crime happens, one must report it firstly to parent, school, and authorities, then to police. So if anyone cybercrime happens, report should be there by parents, school authorities, or police. The local police station can be approached for filing complaint just as the cybercrime cells, especially designated with jurisdiction to register complaint. So these are the things which we can maintain it. In addition, provision have now been made for filling out EFIR in most of the states. So again, one of the most important thing, FIR stands for First Investigation Report. So EIFIR, some of the states giving this type of facility EIFIR. In addition, the Minister of Some Affairs is also launching a website for registering crime against women and children online, including crimes. तो वुमेन्स एंड चिल्ड्रंस के जो भी क्राइम्स हैं कि कुछ वेबसाइट्स रजिस्टर्ड वेबसाइट्स हैं इस पे आप काम देख सकते हो वर्क कर सकते हो नाउ सम कॉमन सोशल मीडिया नेटवर्क यू नो वेरी वेल फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप ट्विटर इंस्टाग्राम लिंक्डइन these are the social media sites which you know very well. Facebook, it is a platform you can share your idea, forms, posts, photos, videos, story. Things are created and you can create friends, can make a friends. through Facebook. So we can share the information. Twitter microblogging sites which allow to post very small message up to 280 characters. It's a microblogging sites. Blogging sites are there. You can share your views on Twitter, but up to 280 or 300, less than 300 characters, you can use it. Next is LinkedIn. Again, social network for professional provide features to make profile look sort of detailed resume like sectors for work experience, education, voluntary work, certification amounts. These are the things. You can create your profile on LinkedIn. It will be very beneficial for you and all other also. Instagram, one of the most popular social network for online photo sharing, offer features like sharing real-time photos and short videos while you go on. So these are the things are. Very appropriate uses of social media, that is most important. Because previous slide we have seen it, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp. So how to use it, that is most important thing. One important thing is that don't forward whatever message you have received. That is most important thing. And you can secure your website, you can browse properly, because spam, phishing, hacking, these are the activities which is properly performed on cyber space or cyber places or online. So uses of social media networks, like whatever to online post something or visit friends page or search something, gives a permanent footprint called digital footprint, and it remains of your storing trails of your online activities. Online activities we can perform it. We are using this platform for personal reason and visible to anyone who looks for it. This might not cause any problem now, but sometimes later it can be cause potential problems when it comes to matter like taking admission in higher education or looking up job when looking at life partner. That means positive approach you can use it. Positive approach you can use it for helpful for others. That time you can use it your social media. That will be helpful. You can use for official purpose. These many days, like example, this many days university looking for digital footprint of application student before giving them admission. Similarly, employers may look for digital footprint of candidates. So whatever you have applied it, perform it, digital footprint, can maintain it. What you should know it. While using social networking sites, you should know about what the right online behaviors. Yes, that is the most important. Etiquettes online. Right online behaviors are what is considered as cybercrime. If anyone think by taking profile she can do such activity without being caught, she is certainly mistaken. Modern technology to find anyone online using IP address location it is. So one must not indulge in these activities at all. So this type of activity will perform it and expand it. So what you should know, this thing you know it. Online behavior is very important. So digital footprint play a very vital role. Now digital footprint. Actually, whatever records, whatever transaction we are doing, all the records and traces individually leave behind as they use internet. So anyone using internet, uh, the things are going on. Your interaction on a social media, your friend circle on social media sites, visit online purchasing, location visit. So all the activities is called all make up your digital footprint. Whatever things you are going on through IP address, internet protocol address, it can perform it. Now privacy setting, you know it. Previous lecture I have also told this thing how to setting private in Google Chrome. Go to setting. So when you start social media, you should not go with the default privacy setting. Rather, it is always a good idea to set a privacy setting yourself using account setting. So privacy setting, go to control. Who will see what you have posted? Who all send requests to you? What all information about you is visible to others, even to your contact. So these are the things uh, which perform it. So privacy setting is there. So through privacy setting, everyone can perform it, anything. What you should do, uses rules. By authentic, be honest about your identity. Yes, very important thing. If you are honest, that is important thing from your side, from your identity. But again, don't send personal information or personal details to everyone. The important remaining part which is required, you can send it. Use a disclaimer. If you are associated with any institution or organization and you are sharing your personal views about something, do make it clear that these are your personal views and you do not represent any institute or organization. Next is don't pick fight online. Don't pick fight online if you do not like anyone's comment on your post. Yes, that is the most important. Don't like anything which you don't know. जो चीज आपको पता नहीं है उसको आप सागवान मत करो, लाइक मत करो और फॉरवर्ड भी मत करो. और अपनी आइडेंटिटी कोशिश करो कि प्रोटेक्ट रहे हर जगह. चेक करो आप जिस वेबसाइट पे आप सर्च कर रहे हो वो प्रॉपर है कि नहीं. सेफली ब्राउजिंग के भी तरीके हैं. आप क्वेश्चन अवॉइड क्वेश्चनेबल वेबसाइट्स. बी माइंडफुल ऑफ द लिंक. लिंक का एक बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करते हैं. मैसेज के केस में भी लिंक प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं. कीप योर सिस्टम फ्री ऑफ वल्नरेबिलिटीज. वो भी हो जाता है. इंस्टॉल एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर. रन वायरस स्कैन पीरियडिकली. यूज अ फायरवॉल. डाउनलोड सॉफ्टवेयर. फायरवॉल का यूज हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में देखा था. फायरवॉल होता है, प्रॉक्सी यूज कर सकते हैं. What should do users? Don't use fake names or pseudonyms. Never pretend to someone else. तो आप fake name से don't use fake name. You also and other one also. And protect your identity. What I told you. मैंने अभी आपको just बताया कि आपकी identity आप protect रखो. While you should do be honest yourself, but you should never provide or post personal information online. ये बात मैंने अभी just आपको बताई. This information can be used to conduct fraud or crime. The next step, does the information post pass the public test? If your post is not acceptable or face-to-face conversation over the telephone, then it is not acceptable for a social network site. What you should do, use as rules. Respect your audience. Sometimes school, college student talk slang or use some abusive words which they find okay within the risk, but these things must not be posted online. So whatever discussing, don't use abusing words, don't use abusing things, don't use slang. This type of activity don't use online. This will be reflect and it will create riots. So this type of activity don't do performing. Because if you follow internet ethics, if you follow ethics, online ethics, then it will not create any type of problem. Respects other sentiments. You should always respect other privacy and be considerate for topics that may consider sensitive such as politics, religion. जैसे मैंने अभी बात को बोला कि आप अगर ऐसी कोई पोस्ट करेंगे जिससे इफेक्ट होगा तो वो भी एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा. What you should do, monitor comment. Most people who maintain social media sites welcome comment. It builds credibility and community. You should prefer to review and appropriate comments. तो रिव्यू भी करो और कमेंट्स भी दो, वो चीजें हैं बिफोर पोस्टिंग देम ऑन साइट. दिस में वे यू विल इंश्योर क्वालिटी ऑफ कमेंट्स. कमेंट्स उसकी चीज होती है. ऐसे कुछ काफी सारे रूल्स हैं जिसको हमको करना चाहिए. एक तो सबसे मेन जो हम इसको शॉर्ट में हम ब्रीफ करें, तो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात ये होती है कि आप शॉर्ट में आप वही चीज प्रेफर करें कि वो चीज आप सेफली ब्राउज करें, सेफली एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म करें, यूज करें HTTPS हाइपरटेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल सिक्योर, एंटीवायरस यूज रखें, है ना, वर्नेबलिटी साइट्स यूज नहीं करें, डाउनलोड जो करें वो ट्रस्टेड साइट से ही करें, कॉशियस रहें पर्सनल डिटेल के अकॉर्डिंग. तो ये चीजें ध्यान रखने वाली बात है. हाउ टू नो ए वेबसाइट इज सेफ और नॉट, ये भी ध्यान रखें कि वो वेबसाइट सेफ है कि नहीं, सिक्योर है कि नहीं. HTTPS मैंने कुछ बताया अभी. एंटीवायरस यूज करें, फायरवॉल यूज करें, डाउनलोड प्रॉपर करें और पर्सनल डिटेल्स शेयर ना करें. हैकर्स को कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर न करें. ये सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस होते हैं जो ध्यान में रखने वाली बात होती है. तो एक बार और थोड़ा सा मैं बता देता हूँ. एक तो कुकीज का ध्यान रखें, कुकीज क्लियर रखें. तो कुकीज एक स्मॉल टेक्स्ट फाइल होती है जो कंप्यूटर में होती है. साइबर स्टैकिंग एक क्रिमिनल प्रैक्टिस है. इंडिविजुअल जो इंटरनेट यूज करता है सिस्टमेटिकली हैरस या थ्रेटन डराता हो. प्राइवेसी ऑफ डेटा मींस पुटिंग लिमिटेड ऑन डेटा और इंफॉर्मेशन दैट यू विल बी शेयरिंग विद अदर्स, ये ध्यान रखने वाली बात है. कीपिंग ए यूजर्स आइडेंटिटी, सिक्योर वेबसाइट यूज करना चाहिए. मेलवेयर इज ए मैलिशियस प्रोग्राम, ये ध्यान रखना. मैलिशियस प्रोग्राम that is designed to disrupt the operation of a computer. Cyber threat is an act or incident that can harm an internet user. His computer or information is stored on his computer. ये ध्यान रखने वाली बात. एंटीवायरस ध्यान रखना, साइबर स्टैकिंग ध्यान रखना, डेटा ऑफ सर्विस अटैक ध्यान रखना. सारी चीजें ध्यान में रखने वाली बात है. ये परफॉर्म होती है. तो साइबर सेफ्टी से रिलेटेड चीजें ओवर होती. नाउ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क. मेरे ख्याल से आप इसको पढ़ें, इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है. इसके कुछ टॉपिक्स और बचे हैं, इसको हम बाद में भी डिस्कस करेंगे. तो यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी यू कैन आस्क, अदरवाइज write it on comment. That's all. Thank you.